So today we are going to learn how you can customize the signature on HubSpot. So do kindly watch the video till the end. All you need to do, you have to click over on your profile icon and click on profile and preferences. Once this loads up, so you have to click over on email from here. And in email section, you have to first connect your personal email, and after that click on email edit email signature. So we have two types of email signature, one the HTML format and the second one is in the simple format. So we are going to proceed with the simple format. So I'm going to type anything, I'm going to type my name. Alright, so I'm going to type thank you, thanks. So let's say you can also customize the text just according to yourself. Like if you want to make it bold, you can do it like this, and if you want to make it italic, you can do also with it. Now click on save and the signature will be added. So from now, if you send the email address from your HubSpot, that signature will be displayed at the bottom of the email address. So this is basically how you can customize the email signature on HubSpot. So all for today's video guys, I hope you have learned something new. Thank you so much for watching.